Okay, so let's take a look at regextract function. So for this we will make use of some custom text and then we will extract particular words out of it, right? So let's say in A2 I'm going to add one sentence that says this is year 2023. Let's celebrate, right? And within this particular C column in one of the cells I will try and use a regextract and then pass on A2. Then within double quotes I will be using this regex formula slash then D plus, right? And then I will close this function and let's see what will happen. So we'll okay, so notice that we made few errors here. Okay, I used the function close after / d plus, right? So now if I run this again, it will tell me there is unknown function reg extract. So let's try now run this. So let's use reg x extract. So this is the valid function name. Now next thing we will pass on A2 and then we will use / then D then plus then column. Here you can see the code close and then within this you will also find that and this C column it will be showing you the year as well, and when you hit enter it will particular locate that year and show it to you. So this / d plus is the way regex can extract year, right? Now let's see, this is a red balloon, right? So forget if there are any grammar and typo, right? For now let's focus on regex extract. So here I will pass on A3 and then within double quotes, okay, and we are in column C, typing this for column A cell number 3, right? So here I will have to give it some color choices. For that let's use red, not read. So here I'll be giving it choice blue, red and green. Out of that it needs to fetch that particular color of balloon out of my sentence, right? And notice that it will pick exactly the red to show the match. Similarly we can also check whether we can remove the first 3 letters intact, rest of the content removed, and similarly we can do vice versa as well. So let's try and do this. For this particular I want these 3 characters to remain as is, the rest of them removed. So I will do regex extract, right, and then I will pass on A2 and then within double quotes inside that just 3 periods, right, and then at the end I will close the function. And notice that it will only give you thi as the starting of sentence. Similarly we can reverse this with regex extract, then A2 is passed, then within double quote what I will do is I will try and close this function, but inside that I will use 3 dots and then $sign, right? And if I hit enter, notice that it will show you the last 3 of that sentence. The characters are now removed up to that last 3, In previous example, first three were retained and rest of the stuff was removed, and then the text was extracted. So these are some of the use cases with regextract function.